Realme GT Neo5 sports a 6.7-inch FHD Plus display with a 144Hz refresh rate, punch hole cutout, HDR10 Plus, up to 1450 nits peak brightness, 2160Hz high-frequency PWM dimming. The phone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 paired with Adreno GPU for graphics, while the GT Neo5 packs its LPDDR5X RAM and 256GB UFS 3.1 storage. The GT Neo 5240W packs 16GB LPDDR5X RAM and 256GB, 512GB UFS 3.1 storage. The phone runs on Android 13 based Realme UI 4.0 custom skin out of the box. There is an in-display fingerprint sensor for security. As for the cameras, the Realme GT Neo5 features triple rear cameras on the back, with a 50MP Sony IMX890 sensor with OIS, 8MP IMX355 ultra-wide camera and a 2MP microscope lens. There is a 16MP snapper on the front for selfies and video chats. The phone is equipped with stereo speakers, Dolby Atmos, and high-res audio.